Is
Okay. Now, what is token? Okay. So if anyone asks what is token, so I think all of you are clear. Correct? What is token? Token token is like if you will log in one time, you are giving username and password. Okay, the front end person is giving username and password. Now what will happen? Which it won't be. This shall give me, one that if anybody have it, ask me. Okay, or you can discuss. Just I'm ordering one thing. Just only a payment. Okay, so let's start now. Okay. So what is token? Let me explain you first of all that. Okay, what is token? So token is like when a front end people, what they will do, they will send you the username and password. So what you will do, hey, give me 1 second only. Okay, just 1 second, and I have to order one thing. And we can start. Okay. Um, okay, guys. Sorry for that. Now I have ordered. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so let's start the token now. Okay, so what we will do, we will store our token in Redis. So what will happen, first of all, let me explain you that. So let me open my print. It is true now. I think instead of just another file. Yeah, no, because yeah, correct. We use logger only instead of system.out.println. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
In real life, you will not write system.out.println. It was like if you are a beginner, then it's you. That's why we have log for you. Now what we will do? This is front end. Okay, now he will pass username and password to backend. I will verify and then I will create one token for him. I will store that token in Redis. And then I will send this token to front end people. Whenever front end people want to hit any API, he will send that token to me. And from that token, I will validate him whether the person is valid or invalid. Got it? Everyone. So now we will do that only. So let's start. I'm recording, no? Recording. Pause recording. Yeah, I think I'm recording. Okay. So this is a Eclipse. This is not what I have to show. This one. Okay. Okay, guys. So I was not having Redis template right now. Correct? It was a problem. So I was not having Redis template. So what I need a dependency. Let's come over here. Now let's give, I'll say Redis Spring Boot Maven dependency. Okay, so it will give you a Redis dependency. Okay, and similarly, you need GDs also. So you can use any of them. Version of dependency. Oh, okay. क्या है dependency. It is added. Okay, Redis dependency is added. Now, but we need GDs also. Okay, just 1 second. Hello. Okay. Okay. So now Redis is installed. Okay. Now someone is saying if when we add dependency, we have to. No, like it's totally depends on you. Okay. There are some scenarios when you have to add version. Okay. But sometimes when you will remove this version, Spring Boot automatically take that, inherit that. Okay. Now, second thing, what we need, Redis. Okay, Redis, Spring Boot, Maven, dependency. Okay, I think in Redis will only be inside this only, so no need to worry. दे दिया मैंने रिसेट को पूछ लिया okay. Okay, so now if you will come over here na, and now if you will try Redis, see template is coming or not? Template, Redis template. So this is only what you need. We'll do auto add. Done. Okay, this is, I think, seriously, I'm telling you, token is even not one day topic. Okay, today I will cover the token. Tomorrow, then we will do automatic, labels will be over. Redis is also like a Redis only. Okay. When you configure, na, when you configure your Redis needs Redis. Okay, like Hibernate template need data source, na. Just like that, Redis needs Redis. Okay. If anybody is having any kind of confusion, they can ask me anytime. Okay. Now also. But now I think I have not done that much. But you can ask again. Totally depends on you. Any doubt? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's now what we will do now what we will do we will now what we can do we can configure na Redis. Okay, now we will configure. Everybody remember na the token flow also, or you forgot the token flow? Everybody remember the token na? How I have done the token things? If you don't remember, ask me again. I'm telling you if you don't remember. Okay, otherwise no problem. Driver manager and all that thing. Okay. Now let's start. Okay.
If possible, can you briefly explain it, sir?
First of all, let me apply Redis. Okay, then I will explain you token flow. Okay.
Okay.
Security configuration. Not in security configuration. Now we will create a new configuration. Class, you can say MVC configuration. Configuration. Public. And so, we will first of all let's get Jadis only. Jadis. Jadis. What was the name? Jadis Connection Factory, I think. Okay, Jadis Connection Factory. We will do Jadis Connection Factory. Yeah, so you can say get Jadis or anything. You can do like that. Okay, so this is called a Jadis. It's similar like your, like if you guys remember, we have we have done that in Hibernate. We have done that data source. No? Just like that, you can say it's just like that your data source only. Okay, it's just like your data source only. So no need to worry about. Okay, so now let's start. So in Jadis, first of all, you will say Jadis, and it will be Jadis standalone. S T Array yaar, I think it's deprecated. Yeah. Standalone wiki because we have to create standalone architecture. Okay, we can say Redis standalone configuration. Yes, I think this one only configuration. Okay. Now we will give him configuration host name dot set host name. Okay. Now, guys, what is host name? Let me show you that. So let me open my Insight. Redis Insight in Redis RE Redis Insight. Yes. It will take 1 minute. Let me open my Redis, then I will show you the host. I think everyone you have installed, no, which two applications I have given you, Redis and Insight.
No, sir. For iMac, you said you will give.
Okay. So remind me, na, if I have said anything, na, just remind me one time.
So you
Okay.
just send the link of Reddish. You didn't send the link of
Both,
Insight.
both I have sent. See again. Correct, na? Both I have given or one?
Let me see.
I think I have given both. Okay, so this is your Insight. So this is called your host name. 127.0.0.0.1 host, and 6379 is your port. Standalone. Can you see? Connection time is standalone.
So just you have given the Reddish database only.
Hmm? No,
Two file
Yeah,
Insight
I
and
had
yeah.
given, I remember. Let me
Yeah,
tell
I'm
you.
saying that only. You have given 2 files, yeah.
Oh, yeah, na? Yeah, said only one. Now you're saying
मुझे
two,
ऐसा
huh?
लगा मैंने सिर्फ एक ही डाउनलोड किया इसलिए मैंने पूछा फिर I checked दोनों है.
Okay. So guys, can you see? I'm creating new Redis database. He is giving me the host name, port. Okay. Username you can set, password you can set. Okay, timeout 30. So these are the things which you can select. Okay. Now username you can
From
select
where you
anything.
have so from where you have to select. From where you have to select.
Over here, na, add Redis database.
Oh, okay.
Password is
Just like we created SQL.
yes.
Okay.
Done.
And why timeout? Timeout means
Redis is your in-memory database, no? So
okay.
it will be finished after some interval of time.
Like just like session. Okay.
Database has been added. Port number is this and this. Okay, so this is your less than a minute. Okay. So you are not having anything over here. Okay, so this is your database. So let's let's add this. Hi Gayatri. Why you are sending me this? Sujanya, if you want to talk to Gayatri, then you have to tag her.
Sorry, sir. Actually, we both are sorry.
No problem. Okay, so over here, what you will do, you will give the host name. I have told you know what is the host name? 127 dot. Let me see. I also don't. 127.0.0.1. 10.0.0.1. Okay, so this is your host name. It will come in string.
The host name will be every time a unique value, right? It won't be
No,
similar.
host will be no. I think host will be similar only. Okay.
Means for you, your host will be different. For ours, our host will be different, right? I'm saying that way.
Yes.
मैं
Now,
बोल रही हूँ
yeah, हाँ पता है क्या बोल रहा हूँ. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ see, for Windows I am confirmed this will be the same. Okay, but not sure about iOS.
okay.
Select UPI. Okay. So now host name I have given. Now what I have to give? I have to give the port. Okay. Port was, tell me the port. Let me see. First of all, let me give the port. Dot set port. Okay, port was I think 6379. Okay, so done the port also. Integer value. Okay, remove the string. Port is also done. Okay. Now what you need? You need new Redis. Return new Redis. Okay. and in this you will give configure. Created the ZS. Okay, you can write the P. Okay, now what we need? UPI. अबे इसको देख लो, कौन सा company? Okay, guys, what you need now? You need Redis. Okay, so you say public, but you need Redis template. So you will say Redis REDIS template. Key value pair. Key will be your key. You can give string will be the key, and object will be the value, because it can be anything. String will be the key. You are giving any key, but value you can give anything. So I will give object for now. Although you can give anything. Redis template. We rejected. Ideal. Okay. So let me give @B. Okay. So let's create the. So I will say final, because I will not never change my Redis template. Redis template. I will create the object of string object. Redis template new. Redis template. Okay. Now what I have to set? I have to set the सबसे पहले तो ZS. I have to set the ZS. So I will say Redis template dot set ZS, not ZS. अरे ZS only. Connection factory. Connection factory. Yeah. Over here you will say अरे method name should be get. Done. Okay, now you have given the 8 over here. Redis hoga. Okay, now you have to set the key serialization. Okay, key serialization. Some things are there which you can set. Okay, this you have to remember here. I have told you there are some things which you have to remember. So these are the things. So now first is your set key serialize. Okay, so you will say set key serialize. Okay, so over here you will say new string. Redis serialize. Okay, कितने टाइम हो रहा है अभी करना नहीं करना सर टाइम तो देखिए okay. Okay, so now let me explain you this also. So see, basically you store token, okay, in a key and value pair, correct? Key and value pair, correct now? So that is only what you are setting right now. Okay, that key will be your string and value also your object type, but it doesn't take object type, so you are saying set string only. Okay, so set value serialization new, same thing you will say. Okay, same thing you can write for this also, because object it will not take, so you will directly set this. Okay, now you will say Redis template dot set so we'll say AF after proposition set. Okay, now you will return Redis template. Okay, guys. So anyone have a doubt? These are the only two things which you have to create in Redis.
Sir, here we created the first bean, right? So in the return statement, why we wrote that new and why we didn't write the new in next bean, right?
This one?
Yeah, here in 18th
This-
line.
15th line.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
It's
New,
a
why
Redis standalone. See, it's a Redis standalone. It requires Redis. Okay. I वाले भी करना Give me 1 second, guys. API setting. Upper one. This one. So see guys, ये Redis है. Redis standalone configuration. Okay, and this is your JD's connection factory. Getting it? Both are different now.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm creating new JD's, and inside the if parameter, I'm passing this. Okay, it takes.
So this JD's is the JD's connection factory is the interface.
No, not. It's a class.
Okay, inside of that class, there is a Redis standalone configuration.
Correct. See? Okay. If you are writing new keyword, it means you are creating the object. Class is only
Yeah.
created.
Okay.
No doubt, guys. So, no? Yes,
So
no,
this code is the same for every program, right, sir?
every
Like
Mac
data.
also.
Okay. So where we are giving that timer, 30 seconds, that timer is there, right?
I
Will
will give you.
automatically
I will give you.
Okay.
Although you can give manually also. Okay, although I will show you how to give. Plus, by default, you have given that. Okay.
But sir, if you have given that by default, then wouldn't be
I'm-
ended it by default only after
Basically,
30
no.
seconds of creating that?
No, not that. That is different thing. Not he will not delete that. He will refresh that. Refresh.
Oh. I thought it would work just like session, that's why.
No. If you want to delete that, I will show you.
Okay.
These two things are clear, na?
Yeah.
So this main purpose is to set the host, a port number. Then when we are hitting the API, then that
correct. Oh. You have given username password also, na? If you have not given your username and password, na, then
It
it's
won't
okay.
work.
Okay. Okay now. Okay. Okay. Now let's save this. Now let's save this where I'm writing the controller impact. Login. So generate token. So I'm generating token. Okay, guys. Okay. There. So guys, first of all, you will put the key. You can generate a key. Okay, like this. Okay, this can be the key. I think this is dot. My version. Yeah. Who is this? Me. Hello. Yeah, now it's okay. So now what I have done, I have put the current type. Okay, you can put anything as a key. Token. Okay, you can put anything. Getting it, guys? Anything. Now, what you will do, you will call this method. Give out token. In this, you will pass the key. Second thing is your username. So you will say user dot get dot email done. Third is your role. Say user dot get role. User dot what was the next thing?
can use token value directly, right, sir?
Mobile. Huh?
Token value.
Token value. I didn't get it. What you're saying?
You can use the variable token value directly, right?
You can use the variable token value direct. Yes.
You're getting the ID, everything. So instead of that, can you use token value there?
I'm not getting it. Repeat again.
No, sir, you just appended all the values, right, for
Over
token.
here. Yeah.
Instead of getting each variable, you can use token value there. Can you use there?
Token value there.
Here in the save token auth, you used key comma user get
Yes.
ID get.
Yes. Parameters. You're saying yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
You anyways appended everything, right? So can you directly use that?
I'm using directly, na? See, ID, username. Now you are saying don't append it. Directly add this. ID plus username plus role plus mobile. Like this you are saying.
Use key comma token value here in the above save auth token.
118 lines, sir.
Yeah, 118 line.
Yeah. So 118 line, so okay, but what you were saying, like what to replace?
Key comma token value.
Key comma token value. So you are saying token value should come over here.
I'm saying
Sir, using user.get.getID dot, she's asking to use token value instead of get method.
Token value. But where you will get the token value?
okay.
You're not having token na till now. You are generating token.
Oh, okay. After getting, then you can append. Okay.
Yeah, first of all, I am logging in. I am creating a token. I will save the token in Redis. Then I will have that token also. I will get that token. I have key. I will pass this key to front-end people. Whenever they want to hit any API, they will pass this key. Now in Redis, I am having key value pair. So using this key, I will fetch the value. What I will get this thing.
So after fetching, you're appending it.
First of all, I have to save, na? I have to save the user in database. In Redis, I will see what I am doing. I am having a key. I am generating a key. It can be anything. Okay, I am generating a system.current time millis. Epoch value. You can generate anything. Okay. Then what I am doing? I have key. Now I need a token value. For that, I am saying user key ID is okay. Username, role, mobile is sufficient. So I'm generating a value over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will say Redis template dot, okay. Now OPS for hash dot save. No, not save, set. No, not for hash. For value, I think. Dot set. Yeah. Set. So set. Now you will say token. This is your key. What is your value? Token value. Your value. Done. So this is how you save it. Okay. So this is you are generating the token. Okay. Plus you are saving it. Now what I will pass? I have login response. Okay. Now suppose first of all, I'm getting error. Let's see why. Okay. Because of this. Okay. Done. Now what you need, you will say login response. So login response. Yes. Login response. Login response dot set token. Token will be my key. Okay, then I will this one में ये मंगवा return login response. Now guys, discuss about this. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Hello guys, am I audible? Okay. So anyone have a doubt? How to see I have created the token or I have saved the token? This is Redis. Any doubt, guys? Tell
No,
me.
sir.
No one is having doubt now?
No.
Okay. So this is how you save the token. Okay.
That's it.
No. There is one more thing now. This is when you will log in. But when you will hit any other API, what you will then you will pass the token. Now you know how to remove the token from header. Correct? No. Tell me yes. Okay. If you getting it now, tell me yes or no. Then what you will do? You will remove the token from header. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. After removing the token, you will find in Redis that token is present or not. Correct or not?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, after this, what you will do? So after this, you will say find token. Okay. Now let's see how to find token from Redis. Oh, sorry, Redis. Okay, we have to do that also. So now, if you want to remove the token, and if you want to do that task, now you can do in user detail, user service impel also. Plus, you can create another service also for that. Okay, authentication service type. You can say like that.
So why we are creating another class now?
That it will be separated, no?
Okay. So you're
Getting it?
creating two classes?
Yeah, you can keep in one also. Are you getting? If you are okay, let's keep in same only.
वही तो यार एक तो ऑलरेडी बहुत लंबा प्रोजेक्ट है और आप बैठ के ही जा रहे हो सब
नहीं लंबा नहीं थी मैंने क्या बोला ओनली वन थिंग आई विल से जितना आप अच्छा कोड लिखते हो मतलब जितना आप सिंपल और इजी कोड लिखते हो उतना अच्छा होता है ओके यू आर राइटिंग योर कोड यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट suppose there is another person who is joining your company he can understand that code or not
No,
that is the
because
task
we have written it, yeah.
okay now this is user service user related thing should be in user service correct or not
Yes.
in authentication related things should be there or not like login in log out change password forgot password
Yes, as the name suggests, yes.
huh? That's why I was creating got it
सर एक ही करो ना दो क्यों कर रहे
अभी तो समझाया
हो ओके कीजिए कोई बात नहीं
See, yaar, I will only suggest you. See, right now I am not telling you how to write a code as a beginner level. I am saying how to write a code as a senior. How senior write code. This is how senior write code. Okay, because you are saying how simple and how easy can you write.
Yeah. Less the code, the less efficient, yeah.
Okay, login thing. Let's copy from here. Okay. Now we don't need your this. You can remove when you are using token. No, you don't need this. AUTHENTITH.
Authentication service also.
You copy pasted the same entire thing of user service impel
Because it's not related to user, na. User is a person who is a person member. Authentication is will be for everyone. It can be a client, it can be anything. क्या हो गया?
Authentication service. Implements authentication service.
अरे हाँ, yes ना, correct. User report. Okay, you need this also. Done. Okay, so this is when you will log in. But you have to create one more when you will find out. Okay, find out. Get user by token like that. Okay, to be optional. It will give me user. It will be find user by token. You will pass token. Okay. This is a find user by token. Okay. Now what you will say? You will say, "Yeah, I need user." Okay. So I will find the user. So I will say user, user, user. Okay. Now I will say it will be optional. Na? It will return me optional. But in Redis, I will get token because if you guys remember, when I was creating a template, it was string and object, correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I need Redis template. Redis template dot. You are now oops for hash, I think. Now it will be oops for hash. Oops for hash, I think. I don't remember oops for hash. That was the tree, na? So I think oops for hash only get. But over here he is hash key. Hash key. What I need, I have to get. है ना? Yeah, to get it is taking two things, but I don't want to give two things. No, I think it will be hash the value. Yeah, get open. Got it. Okay. So now I'm having value, which is object type. Okay. So it will be in this form, correct? It will be in this form. Enough. So let's create one more method which will return me the user. Okay. So you can say private. I'm only playing with methods if you will see. Okay. So if you guys are weak in methods, you will be having little difficulty. Okay, but I will say I think you don't have any difficulty. I know. If you are having difficulty, ask me immediately. Okay. It will return me user. Okay. And get user by no, I have already. Okay, get any get user by not token. Ready. It will give me what? It will give me object of value. Okay. Now what I will say, I'll say I will have string st. Where I have one second. I have one more class now. Okay. Okay, string of array. It will be like, you can say, user array is equals to, now I'll say value dot toString dot split slash dollar. क्या है? Yeah, split is on split with dollar. Okay, let's see. Only for dollar. Okay, now he will split it and he will give me this thing. ID, username, role, mobile. Now I will say user, user dot set ID. It will give me user array, 0th index. Now you have to convert it. So you will say long dot parse user dot set email. User array one. User dot set
The username,
hmm?
set username after ID.
Username. But I'm passing email na as a username.
Okay.
Username is my email na.
Okay, sir. I forgot.
Yes. Now set role. So I will say user array dot second. Now I have to convert it into enum. Array, yeah, this I have to do. How do you do this? This is my yaar, but I need enum. String to enum, yaar, I have to see. I am not remembering it right now. Although I'm having new. String enum. Java. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll do, yaar. I'm having one class, phone call is coming. Okay,
Sir,
tomorrow.
can you explain this flow again tomorrow?
Yeah,
Because
yeah, yeah. Again, I will
very
explain
Yeah,
you.
I was going to tell the same thing that
Okay.
can you
very
see this
Value
flow
of-
again?
No
feel
worry.
like I didn't get anything.
Okay, no worry, no worry. Tomorrow I will repeat whole thing again. Okay.
Just if you just explain what thing you at least created, like the methods which you created, then also it's enough. So we can
No, I
get
will
the
do.
flow. Okay, ये बनाना है और ये ऐसे चलेगा.
Yes. Don't worry, don't worry. I will do. Okay, tomorrow I will do it again.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
guys. Practice
Yeah,
hard.
thank you, sir.
Bye.